How excellent in all the earth, O Lord, is your name. Who has your glory set so high above the starry frame? Then I must ask, what is a man that you should keep in mind? Or what the Son of Man that you to him are always kind? For you have... So I want to go over how to play Psalm 8. Just a little bit of background. I think that singing the Psalms is the best way to enhance your personal worship. And so writing Psalms is one way that you can do that. This Psalm is super easy. You can write almost any Psalm into G, C, and D if you want. There's endless variety out there. And with the tools available, I'm not a great singer-songwriter guy. I actually just go to the Scottish metrical Psalter, and I either copy the paste or I ask AI to get the words for the psalm that I'm looking at, and then I just ask it to stay true to the theological concepts of the psalm, and I verify, to make sure that each verse lines up, because AI can get it wrong. But then I just have it modernize the language in a metered psalm, and it usually comes out pretty good. Then I ask it for chord recommendations, and then I play around with it until I come up with something usable. So that's what I did with this psalm, and I just wanted to share because this psalm is very simple. The chords really are just G, D, E minor, and C add 9. And you'll see I actually have my capo on 4th. I'm glad I brought that up because I can see in the camera that I have my capo on. I put the capo on 4 just to put that in my vocal range and a key that sounds decent for me. But you can play around with that. That's actually a really easy way to modify it. If I put it on capo on 1, then I can just... It instantly changes the key and gives us a different tone, which if you're a guitar you know, right? But if you're learning, the reason that I'm doing this is to send out some really easy to play songs. So again, the chord progression is just G, D, E minor, and then C add 9. And C add 9 is just like a G on, moving a string up. G, D, E minor, and C. That's all you need, and it repeats. So you can do just... You can just do 4. And until you get comfortable, and just, keep going. But how excellent in all the earth, O Lord, is your name. It's really that simple. So I'm going to put the tabs out there. That is the majority of the song. After the third stanza, the third verse, I do a little... or after the second one, I do an instrumental. After the third one, I do a little E minor and C kind of thing. So I just, not paying attention, do a little E minor and C thing. Build a little bit of tension. Kind of ramp it up. Right? Then I must ask, what is a man that you should keep in mind? And then I do G and D. Or what the Son of Man that you to D, him are always kind. So it's an E minor, C, and then G and D, right? And the G and the D are on two measures. So you're just doing, then I must ask, what is a man that you should keep in mind? Or what the Son of Man that you to him are always kind? Then you go right back to it. So what I like about this setup is you can go back and forth. You can make it as simple or complex as you want. You can do a little pick. You can do a little finger style with it. You can really, this is like It's like one of those recipes you find for chili, and then you start adding your secret ingredients in. That's all I want to do here. I want to kind of get you guys, I really just want people to do this. I really want local guys with guitars to get the dust off of them, pick them up, and use them in their worship every day. So by doing this, I'm going to put out some videos, hopefully. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. That really is a lot of encouragement. And then I'll put more of these videos out. I'm going through seminary. I'm a busy guy. I do a kids ministry too. It's just a lot of fun. These are some things that I like to do and put out there to encourage other people to do them too. But here's the deal. The whole thing with Reclaim Reformation is this idea that people can just do stuff, all right? I went to my church and I talked with them about starting a kids ministry. Why? Because that's what I was passionate about. I have kids. That's what I wanted to do. I like playing guitar. I learned guitar around a campfire. So that's kind of the feel that I'm getting here. In fact, my buddy Ben, hey Ben, he taught me a lot of songs around a campfire, whether it was dumb Dave Matthews Band songs or Soul Collective Soul, or, I can't even think of it. It's all kinds of goofy 90s stuff that we used to listen to. But anyway, I learned to play guitar around a campfire, and I've been surrounded with musical people my entire life. And so I just wanted to kind of pay it forward and help you guys see that whoever's out there, this is an easy thing to do. You can actually just write your own psalms. There's the Scottish Metrical Psalter. There's the hymnal. You can pick those up. You can ask AI to help you if you're not a great songwriter at first. You can use basic chords. And then you can sing them and you can contemplate exactly what's happening. I mean, Psalm 8 is great. It's a praise song, right? It's looking at God and saying, God, you made everything. How great is your name? How powerful are you? I mean, there's nobody that could glorify you like you can glorify yourself. Your name is above every other name. You conquer the world from the mouths of children and babes. You've ordained your might. You will silence your enemy and put your enemies to flight. You will destroy them. When I look up into the heavens, that's the work of your hands, right? It's just praise after praise about God's creative beautification, like the beautiful, glorious creation that God has. And the crux of the psalm is actually that moment when we do the build-up, when we say, then I must ask, what is a man that you should keep in mind? Like God, you're literally, the psalmist is saying, God, and why in the world would you be mindful of us? Right? It's a posture of humility, looking at the awe-inspiring beauty of everything that God made. And I just think it's beautiful. And it's just a great psalm to sing. But let me know what you think about this. Put any modifications to the psalm that you make down below. Let me know if the tabs are helpful. Let me know if the lyrics are helpful. Let me know what you like about it, what you don't like about it. All right? But anyway, I'm going to make a few of these, see how they do, and then see if I keep doing them. So if you do like this, please give me that thumbs up. Let me know that you do enjoy this content and it is helpful to you. And you know what? I hope this encouraged you to pick up your guitar, and the next time that you're doing a prayer session or you're getting your prayer journal out or you're reading a devotional, you think, you know what? I can sing a psalm and I can interact with God's word in a little bit deeper way by interacting with it, by singing it, by letting it come out of my mouth, by meditating on it and how I can make something beautiful out of it. Not that my song is that beautiful, but I do try to honor God with it. So I'm just really glad that you hang out today. And if that was helpful, then let me know. And God bless you. I'll catch you soon. Peace.